How to block methods while attribute is true in Python class. I have a class with some attributes and methods to change those attributes. This is a minimal example. I want to block the use of methods that change certain attributes while self.acting is true. This block could be an error raised or a false return. I know that I can just put an if statement in the beginning of each method to check for self.acting, or use a decorator, but I want to do it in an automatic way, in which it would block the use of all functions that start with set without me having to add code to all of them. How can I do this?
You can use _getAttribute_ here, something to the effect of However, as noted in the comments, this will check the self.acting flag when the attribute is looked up, which is not necessarily when the method is called. We can more carefully handle the fact that the verification should happen when the method is called, not accessed. A demonstration. Edit. I think I did the opposite of what you wanted, but the same should work. Just check if self.acting instead of if not self.acting.
This is a case for class decorator. It would take the class as input and return a new class by iterating over all members and replacing those that are methods whose name is set _ with new methods that call the old one only if self.acting is true.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.